Frost paints patterns on the glass, a quiet dance that will not pass. I hear the snowflakes softly fall, no sound at all, no sound at all. The air is cold but full of play. It tickles cheeks and melts the gray. Oh, snowflakes, sing your song to me. Twirl and tumble, wild and free. You're here then gone like whispered breeze. Oh, snowflakes, sing, oh, sing to me. The trees wear coats of icy lace, each branch a dancer full of grace. The world is still yet full of sound, each step a crunch on frozen ground. The laughter echoes through the chill, a winter's joy you can't distill. Oh, snowflakes, sing your song to me.